Where are we?
Somewhere.
Somewhere out there. Somewhere out there. You don't remember? It's a half an hour walk. So walk fast. Right there, right there. There's millions of them. Yeah. Ooh la la. But you cannot just pick them up. You have to. Oh my God! Look, look.
Dami-dami.
Look. See? You cannot just pick them up. Fish it with a fishing rod. There are 3 there, 4. See it? Close up mo ano ha. Bakit? Ay! Dumaan na sa'yo. May nakuha na siya o may kumagat na sa pain niya. Ngayon, paano huhuliin yun? Ayan o, lumalangoy-langoy o. Ayan na o, ayan, lumapit siya sa akin o. Ang laki niya o. Naku, ang dami nila rito. Oo, totoo, laki-laki o. Ate Junie, it's fun to be down here and you're up there. I can go down here. Ayan o. Ayun o, andun sila lahat, Junie o. Tignan mo lang yung lalim ng ano ha. Punta ka, ano ha, lakad ka ng konti. Tignan mo lang yung nilalakaran mo. Pag malalim na, huwag kang pumunta na. Ate Junie, may papunta na dyan sa'yo. Ayan eh, lumiko. Lumiko siya, ayan na oh. na, paparating sa'yo. Ayan na, dumasa. Ay, ano, nakita mo? Nakita papunta sa'yo eh, tapos biglang lumihis eh. Ayun, may tatlo dyan oh. Pag biglang kinagat yan, Juni, pati ikaw sasama ka nila. Wow. Kuya, gusto daw namin ng isda. Sino bang may ayaw ng isda? Oh, buntis! Ang laki! Buntis siya, oh. Iuwi ka na namin, ha? Ha? You wanna touch it? Touch it. No, touch it. Just touch that tail. No, just touch the tail and then just touch the tail. Touch it with your hand.
No! It's gonna fly.
Then you hold it. It will fly. Ayun, ayun. Ayan na, ayan na. Ay. Lumayo siya. Paano yan? Is trying to touch the salmon over there, but she's kind of scared to touch it. Come on, go ahead, go. Lift it up, lift it up. Now you're touching the salmon. Ay, 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 ay. Get it, get it, get it. Just get it and I'll show you. And she said, okay, 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 okay. We're gonna bring that home. Try to put it up. It's heavy. It's heavy? Jericho, wow.